How to fix Windows stock on restarting screen in Windows 11. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel, and on today's video we will learn how we can fix if your Windows 11 PC stock on restarting screen forever. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, perform or force a shutdown. Hold down your power button on your laptop or PC for about 10 seconds until the system completely turns off. After that, you could try to turn your computer back on and check if that works out for you or not. If that still does not help you, then you have to disconnect all of the external devices. Unplug all of the USB devices or external devices, printers, and then restart your PC. That will also help you solve your problem. If that still does not help you, then you can run System File Checker and fix if there is any corrupted systems file using your command prompt. So for that, you have to open up command prompt as an administrator. Search for CMD, click on Run as Administrator, click on Yes, and once you're here on the terminal, here you have to type a command sfc space / then type on scannow. Press enter in your keyboard, and that will fix if there is any corrupt file using your command prompt and may help you solve your problem. After that, go back and check if your problem is now working or not. And if your Windows finally boots, then you can update your system. For that, go to the settings in your device, then head over to the Windows Update, and here make sure that you update your system. And that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.